Hello and welcome. Another DP Kids YouTube video is here to teach you and to guide you in doing origami creations, different types of creations. So today I'm going to teach you something quite different. Why don't you look at it? Who is this? Who is this? It's a witch. A witch. Have you ever watched a movie called Majo no Takyubin? Anime called the Majo no Takyubin Kiki's Delivery Service. That's the anime from which the witch has been taken. She's a nice, kind, helpful witch, and her friend is this black cat, and they help people by traveling in the sky on their broomsticks. And that's who I'm making today, Kiki the witch, and let's see how to make it now. So for that we need 2 pieces of paper for the head and the body. So let's first make the head part of Kiki witch. Now we are folding it in half to make a triangular shape. Then open it up and bring this edge to the middle line here. Then the next edge, the other edge also comes to the middle line. Now this flap we have to fold backwards like this. Now can you see this little flap here? Lift it up like this, fold it backwards like this so that it stays straight. You can't make it, move it around. Let it stay straight and do the same thing to the other flap as well. The line should stay straight. And only once everything is settled in place should you press it down. Then flip it over and bring the corner inside. Bring this lower corner inside. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Now fold this little piece also to a certain extent, not to the very middle, but to a certain extent. Now turn it around and see. Now that's the witch's head with the hat. Now draw the eyes and the rest of the face. She's a very kind witch, so you can give her a big smile. So you can give her some hair, maybe black hair or wavy hair that is flying everywhere because she's on a broomstick flying everywhere. Now let's look at how to make the body. It's quite easy. Fold it in half, fold that piece of paper in half, then bring the edges to the middle line like this. Then this flap, slowly fold it in and then put it inside so it looks like a cloak. Now we have to apply a little glue to this body part and paste the head onto it. Now our Kiki the witch is pasted and done. So shall we give her a broomstick also? let's take a brown piece of paper and take a stripe of about 4 centimeters in width, and and if it's about 20 centimeters in length, cut a little few pieces, cut a little few stripes at one end like this. And then you can roll it or even fold it. Then do something like this so that it looks like a real broomstick. Now towards the end of it, apply a little glue so that it won't unfold when Kiki the witch stands or sits on it. Then Kiki needs to sit on the broomstick, so you can put a little glue there too and stick the broomstick onto her body. Look here, isn't she pretty? Now I know y'all also would like to make the black cat here, but we can't make it in this video, but we'll make it in another video. So we'll make the black cat in the next video. Stay safe and stay ready.